Hello everyone, my name is Linda Nayeli Hernandez Garza and I'm here to demonstrate something about me. Well, this is Health Science 401 course, Community Health Methods. This is my second semester in this field about public health career. Well, this is a picture of me, my husband, and our little son, whose name is Galileo. He has 2 years old and I love them. Well, I'm 30 years old. I graduated in 2012 from the University of Nuevo León. The career is International Relations in Foreign Trade and Customs Accentuation. I worked for the Mexico government in the customs, and one of them was in the border with Guatemala in the state of Chiapas. And the other one was in my own state in Nuevo León. And after that, I decided to serve my mission. So I I prepare and then I serve my mission in Guadalajara. It's one of the states of Mexico, and I finished it in 2017, almost 4 years ago. So then I moved to Utah, and now I get another interest, for example, the safety and the health population. I love when I know about the public health career, and it's for that reason that I'm here with each one of you. I decided to do Pathway the last year and as an online student because I'm a mom and a wife. So it's a great blessing for me to have this great opportunity to keep growing professional and to be a good example for my son and can help my own family in many ways as I prepare more. One of my favorite scriptures is in Doctrine and Covenants 136 verse 32, and it says, "Let him that is ignorant learn wisdom by humbling himself and calling upon the Lord his God, that his eyes may be opened, that he may see, and his ears opened, that he may hear." I love it. I know that this is really, really true. Well, I'm not have public health experience yet, and it's for that reason that I'm looking for a new job related to this field and to get experience. And well, my career goal is to get a degree and be a resource where the people can trust and be a good help for them. And well, I hope to gain the most knowledge that I'm going to use in the future. I'm so excited to be prepared and know more about health promotion skills. Um, Thank you so much, and um, thank you, and hope you have a wonderful semester. Thank you.